Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 1, ab is equal to 10. Solution. We have a plus b is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. ab is equal to 10. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, a plus b is equal to 1. Then b is equal to 1 minus a, or a is equal to 1 minus b. Now let's call this equation 3. Now from equation 2, ab is equal to 10. Let's substitute for b. Here we have a bracket 1 minus a is equal to 10. Then let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 1, this is a minus a multiplied by a square is equal to 10. This is a minus a square minus 10 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. A divided by minus 1, this is minus a square divided by minus 1, this is plus a square, minus 10 divided by minus 1, this is plus 10, is equal to 0. Let's put this in standard form. Here we have a square minus a plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this. This is a quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 10. Then a is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10, that is 40. Everything divided by 2. A is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 40, that is minus 39 over 2. Now a is equal to 1 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 39 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 39, square root of minus 1 is I, over 2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 39i over 2, and a2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 39i over 2. These are the values of a. We've got the value of a. Let's solve for b. To solve for b, then from equation 3, b is equal to 1 minus a. B1 is equal to 1 minus A1 is 1 plus square root of 39I over 2. B1 is equal to, this is divided by 1. 1 into 2 times 1. 2 minus 1, minus times plus, that is minus square root of 39I over 2. B1 is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1 minus square root of 39I over 2. This is the value of B1. Also, B2 is equal to 1 minus A2 is 1 minus square root of 39I over 2. B2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus square root of 39I over 2. Now, B2 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus square root of 39I over 2. This is the value of B2. Now, our final answers are A1, B1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 39I over 2, 1 minus square root of 39I over 2. Then A2, B2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 39I over 2, 1 plus square root of 39I over 2. You can see that from here, the value of A1 here is equal to the values of B2 here, and the values of B1 here is equal to the values of A2 here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.